So this is my first Arduino project. It's a simple microphone connected to an Arduino platform, connected to a fully addressable LED strand, powered by a lithium polymer battery. I'll give you a little demo of what it does real quick. Currently it is programmed to just do a bit of a rainbow swipe all the way around the dial. That's one of the built-in effects from a software that comes with the LED so that you can make it work. So let's look at the various parts of this guy. You start out with the brain, if you will. This obviously isn't an Arduino. Arduino is an Italian company. They manufactured the original ones of these, but you do use the Arduino development environment, and it's using the same microchip inside. It's just a slightly different format. This is a Flora from the company called adaFruit. This is a wearable version, so it's got larger holes for conductive thread to go through, larger platforms for create a good connection. I soldered my joints on this one, but you could have sewn it. Now this one's washable too. There are smaller versions. Yeah, there are smaller versions. This is called a trinket. It's even smaller. It's not sewable, obviously, because it's got only little solder points. But if your project needs only a tiny amount of power and tiny amount of processing capability, this is a tiny piece of equipment, like $10. This is a sensor. Again, this is a sewable, wearable sensor, so you can see the slightly larger contact patches and the bigger holes. This is a color sensor. So it shines an LED on a surface, reads the color value, and then sends that color value to the Arduino platform. That's a color sensor shield. This is a microphone shield. So this has a microphone, picks up an audio signal, sends that numeric value out through the system, and you can use that. The cool part about the Flora, it's washable, but it also comes with, so the trinket here has a USB port for uploading your code, so does the Flora. The Flora has a switch, a small switch that you may be able to see in there. It also comes with a battery connector already attached, although you could add a battery connector to the trinket if you wanted to. But the Flora comes with more stuff built in. As I said, in this project, I connected a microphone to the board and then have the lights. The current sketch that I have running doesn't use the microphone. It just uses the internal programming and changes the color value and asks the LED string to change the values. But if we connect this Flora to our computer, and we'll upload a different sketch. So the sketches are the software that you're running on your Arduino. Each sketch puts a new piece of software into the microchip, and essentially as soon as you power up the device, it will run that new software. So in this case, this is a spinning color value that I've got spinning to replicate sort of Android or Borg eyes. But if we gave it a different value, different color value, you could upload it and do have a different color represented, as in this case, red. You may have seen there was a little yellow light flashing. That's the transmission code saying something's being uploaded. And once you've seen that, you know that your sketch is uploaded. So sketches are really just scripted code, gets compiled into machine language and uploaded to here. This is another sketch that I have that takes advantage of the microphone. So I'm going to lower my voice now, and you're going to see that this is acting like a VU meter. And if I clap my hands, hang on, let's, or do some beatboxing, and so on. So different sketches yield different results from the same platform. Very cool. As I said, all of this stuff is washable. So we'll go back to the portable version. We'll switch it on. All of this is washable. The stuff from adaFruit, they focus on wearable stuff. Right now we're running off this very small lithium polymer battery. that's recharged from your computer using this little charger here. So you plug it into the USB port, plug in the battery, and in a couple of hours you've got a charged microcontroller. And that's all you need. You can put that on a baseball cap, take it to your local football game, and have light up for the home team. Yay!
Did you mention the price?
Oh, sorry, prices, yes.